Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best Mazda 6 windshield wipers on the market. This replacement for Mazda CX-9, CX-5, 2017, 2021, Mazda 6, 2018, 2021 silent wipers from FAPIUO is a top-notch option for your vehicle. The FAPIUO all-season windshield wipers are designed to meet or exceed OEM safety and durability standards. They are made with a memory steel sheet for a perfect fit, a boneless deflector to reduce wind resistance, and A-grade adhesive strip for noise reduction. These wipers are easy to install and provide a clean, streak-free wipe every time. These wipers are not only easy to install but also offer great value for the quality you receive. They provide a clean and streak-free wipe, are noise-free, and are designed to last. Plus, they are a perfect fit for specific Mazda models. If you're looking for the best windshield wipers for your Mazda 6, look no further than the FAPIUO silent wipers. They provide excellent performance, durability, and ease of installation. Don't compromise on visibility when driving. Upgrade to these high-quality wiper blades today. That concludes our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.